Ring-necked duck, Ithia calaris, 15.3 to 18.1 inches, 39 to 46 centimeters. The male ring-necked duck is a sharply marked bird of gleaming black, gray, and white. Females are rich brown with a delicate face pattern. At distance, look for this species' distinctive peaked head to help you identify it. Even though this species dives for its food, you can find it in shallow wetlands such as beaver swamps, ponds, and bays. Of all the diving duck species, the ring-necked duck is most likely to drop into small ponds during migration. It is a compact diving duck with a distinctive head shape, a sloping forehead, and a peaked rear crown. The crown flattens when they are diving. In flight, ring-necked ducks appear large-headed with a thin neck and a short, round body. Males are bold black and gray ducks with a dark head, black back, and gray sides with a white hash mark on the chest. Females are rich brown with a contrastingly pale cheek, a white patch near the bill, and a whitish eye ring. Adult males have a prominent white ring on the bill. Ring-necked ducks are often in small flocks and pairs, diving to feed on mollusks, invertebrates, and submerged aquatic vegetation. Sometimes they flock with scaup, other times you may see them with dabbling ducks. Look for ring-necked ducks on smaller bodies of water than other diving ducks. In winter and on migration, this can include beaver ponds, small lakes, marshes, cattle ponds, or even flooded agriculture fields across North America. Ring-necked ducks breed in freshwater marshes, bogs, and other shallow, often acidic wetlands. Ring-necked ducks eat submerged plants and aquatic invertebrates. The plants they eat include leaves, stems, seeds, and tubers of pondweed, water lilies, wild celery, wild rice, millet, sedges, and arrowhead. They also eat mollusks, as well as snails, caddisflies, dragonfly nymphs, midges, earthworms, and leeches. Protein-rich animal food is important during the breeding season, when adults are raising their young. Adult females eat almost entirely animal food during the time they're feeding young. Plant foods become much more important in the diet during fall migration. Ring-necked ducks put their nests among dense sedges and other emergent plants in marshes. Pairs choose these sites by swimming at the vegetation edge or by making low circling flights over potential spots. They typically build their nest directly over the water or on floating vegetation. This helps protect the nest from land-based predators. Short-distant to medium-distant migrant, ring-necked ducks breed in northern North America and spend winters in southern and western North America, northern Central America, and the Caribbean, often on fresh water. Much of the population migrates from central Canada to the southeastern United States, staging along the way in Minnesota and other parts of the upper Midwest. Fall migration lasts from late September through early December. Spring is early February through March. Ring-necked ducks make a series of short, high-grading barks or grunts. Females also make a high peeping. Whenever you visit wetland habitats, you can find ring-necked ducks in fairly small, shallow wetlands. They breed mainly across far northern North America, so check the range map and look for them during migration and in winter where they can form large flocks. Now you know when you identify this duck, you can be clearly visible to spot its ring around its bill. Ring-necked ducks are an interesting bird to see.